Hey everyone, Tech Steve here. Welcome back to the channel. You probably heard of a company called TP-Link, which are known for making some of the best Wi-Fi's on the market. And you probably heard of Tapo, which makes a lot of security systems. Well, today, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the RV50 Pro Omni robot vac. The reason I want to show you this robot vac on this video today is because most of the ones I reviewed on this channel are usually $1,600 up to $2,000. Well, here's the thing. This one's packed with a lot of the same features and it sells for less than $600. And we're going to talk about some of the great features that you get for your hard-earned money. You might have a robot vac like this, you know, the one that collects all the hair and it doesn't really mop your floor, it just rubs dirt all around. Well, this is where the RV50 is different. This one has a tangle-free mop system that has the little blades on it that actually keeps it from tangling. And you have these mop pads right here that you can easily take off. And you can set it up to do floor only mode. And the great thing is that the docking base I'm about to show you will clean these as well. It has these contacts on the back of it, plus it has an inlet outlet so it can get fresh water. Over here to the side, you have one sensor and two sensors that pick up any type of obstacle in the room, so it will avoid them. It also has a power home button, and this is a LiDAR sensor that helps the sensors in the front to avoid those obstacles, and we'll do testing later on. And check this out, if we open up this compartment, we have a dustbin and it has a HEPA filter on it as well, so dirty air doesn't enter your air. Now let's talk about the base station, because a lot of robot vacs only have that little small charger that you use on a daily basis. On the top up here, you have reservoirs, one for clean water and one for dirty water. And the great thing is you do have this cleaning solution that you can add to it as well to get the best cleaning possible. Now where that goes in, if we pull this door off, you have a bag for the vacuum cleaner, and then this cleaning solution slides right in here and you can get refillables. Now if we go a little bit farther down, inside of here we have all your ducting system to pull out all the dirt off of the vacuum cleaner, the mop water dispenser, and it has detachable mop pads that automatically washes the mop pads up to 140 degrees with hot water after each session. This keeps the mop pads cleaner with less manual maintenance while helping maintain consistent mopping performance over time. It's easy to set up. All you want to do is just go ahead and pour some water in the reservoir, then download the TP-Link Tapo application that's available on iOS or Google Play Store. Walk through the setup menu, and then the first thing you want to do is map your home so the vacuum can get a rough idea where to go when it starts mopping your floor and vacuum all the carpets in your home. Now let's talk about performance of the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni when it comes to vacuuming. And one thing about this robot vac, that it has 15,000 of PA suction power. In order to test this, I added rice, ground coffee, and cereal to the floor so I can see how well it performs. Now keep in mind, this is a test I created because the home doesn't have carpet, but to my surprise, it went back and forth and it started vacuuming with the maximum turbo system that I engaged into the application. One of the things to point out about this vacuum is that you can set up in multiple different setups. So in my case, I have it set up to go back and forth and then do a second cleaning, and that's what we got in this video. So if it happens to miss a spot in the first cleaning, the second cleaning, it's going to pick it up and make sure that your carpet stays clean. And we're talking about picking up dust off of it, pet hair, cereal, and cookies. It's going to pick it up to make sure that you have a spotless home. And the great thing is it's completely autonomous. If you have hardwood floors, the system also has a vacuum only mode that detaches the mops. And to show you the power of the vacuum only mode, I put oats as well as dog food that was grinded up on the floor, and I want to see how well it vacuums. Once again, this robot vac went back and forth and cleaned up all the mess. Then it did a second run to pick up any debris that might have been left over. And this is ideal. When you set it up, you can just forget it because it's going to pick up just about everything on your floor. Once it's done, it'll go back to the base unit, empty out the vacuum, and then it's ready for the next cleaning. For people who don't have carpet in their homes, it also has a mop only mode. And the way it works is that it basically attaches the mop's head back to the unit and then it begins to clean. If it happens to get full, it'll go back to the dock, empty out the mop water, clean the mop pads, and go back out and finish the mess. And every time it does this, it does add new cleaning solutions, so it takes this whole process off your hands. So whenever you set it up on a schedule, when you come back, your house will already be mopped and ready to go until you schedule it for the next cleaning. All you need to do is dump out the water because the vacuum will automatically transfer debris into the sealed dust bag, providing you up to 2 months of hands-free cleaning with less day-to-day maintenance. But my favorite mode is called Vacuum and Mop mode. And the way it works is that it will vacuum your floor in real time and it will use the mop system at the exact same time. One of the great things about this robot vac, when it detects carpet, the mop heads will raise up and get out of the way so it can vacuum that particular area, and it will show up on the application that it did detect a carpet. And I feel that this is the setting that most people want to use because it'll go through your home, it will vacuum the floor, mop the floor all at the same time, and when needed, it will go back to the base, clean itself out, and then continue until your whole entire house is done. Now keep in mind, it is very important that you map your house the first time. So as the robot vac finds new areas, it will continue to grow that map so you can always have coverage in your bedrooms as well as your bathrooms and your kitchen area. And if you need spot cleaning, there is a button on top of it, and you can use the application to hit one particular location instead of vacuuming and mopping the whole floor at one given time. Another great thing about the Tapo RV50 Pro Omni is that it has a hair cutting system. So I wanted to just pick up some hair and show you what it looked like before I engaged the system. And as you can see, there's a lot of hair in here. After I put it back on the dock and let it do its thing, it cut the hair, and here's the results that I got. So as you can see, this system is very advanced, especially for the price of less than $600. The last important feature that you need to know about this robot vac is obstacle avoidance. As I mentioned earlier, it has sensors on the front of it and a LiDAR sensor on top of it. And this system is used to detect different obstacles such as children, pets, as well as any type of toys on the floor. It even can get around wiring and cabling. If you want to have a budget-friendly robot vac that'll vacuum and mop your floors and keep your home spotless while you're saving money at the same time. So in this video, we talked about the RV50 Pro Omni, and as you can see, it has a lot of great features. It's pet friendly, it's gonna keep your house nice and clean. In addition to that, you can set it up with a schedule to make it completely autonomous. So if you guys are interested in learning more about this robot vac, make sure you go check out the links in the description below. I'm Tech Steve, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.